What is going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This is the unlocked version. Stay tuned. So I got this device on Amazon. I paid $179. Well, $179 and some change. This is a unlocked version of the device. So with Samsung phones, like Motorola phones and, well, LG when they used to come out with phones, this phone will work on any carrier in the United States. If you have Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T. But the A16 is pretty much the entry level for budget devices in the Samsung category, I guess. Because if I'm not mistaken, there's the A26, there's A36, A56. Basically, it's more options if you want to get something a little bit more powerful. I decided to go ahead and get something on the cheaper end, well, super cheap end, because this device, I think it has the Exynos 1330 in it, but it says online as well that it has the 6300 in it. So Dimensity 6300. So I'm not sure what's in this device, but it has 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. The thing I was excited about was the fact that it had a AMOLED display. It is 1080p, and it's under 200 bucks. So do I have to use the tool? Yeah, I got a little pry to it. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Enough talking. All right. Okay, so like any other device, not just with Samsung, there is no charging cable. As you can see, phone is clearly there. And if you open this up, don't want to rip this, but it is what it is. If I do, you open this up here, you can see inside there's a charging cable. Let's go ahead and rip that out. Type C to Type C, SIM tray tool, and the device. That's it. That's all you get. Okay. So get this paper off of it, or protection bits and all that good stuff on it. And boom, you got that ripped off. It's going in the trash there. And first impressions of the looks of the device, it looks fairly good. You got your power button there. I think that doubles as the fingerprint scanner, volume up and down keys. On the other side, you have the SIM tray slot, I believe micro SD card expansion as well. Type C charging on the bottom, speaker grill, mic, of course the display, triple camera setup on the rear. I believe the primary sensor is a 50 megapixel sensor, and it looks like glass on the back, but it's not. I'm pretty sure that's plastic. But let's go ahead and get this device powered on. Now, one thing I'm not sure about this phone here as of yet is if it has like eSIM. I'm just not 100% sure of that right now. I think it is, but we'll find out as we go on further in this video here. But yeah, what made me pick up this phone is obviously I do a lot of Motorola phones on this channel here, and I'm a big Motorola fan, in case you couldn't tell. But I wanted to bring something different to the channel. That's one of the reasons. But also, I bought originally when I started my YouTube channel back up again, I bought the Galaxy A35, and I just was not impressed at all with that device, and I ended up sending it back. So that pretty much delayed the channel for about 4 to 5 days because I was not happy with that phone. And what I decided to get instead of that was the Moto G Stylus of 2024, and pretty much that's what started the channel again. So here we are. We have the Galaxy A16, and we're going to actually keep this phone here and do some videos with it, compare it to other devices. So as we all know here, you got to put your information in and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and get some information in it, and I'll be back once that's done. All right, guys. So we are back here and currently in the settings here. Now, for one, I do not have all my information installed on the device just yet. I decided to go ahead and skip a few things as far as getting all the apps and messages and everything on the phone. Because I won't be using this phone like permanently or anything like that, but it is a simple switch to get over to my visible carrier because the device is compatible to be used on that network. But I just wanted to get into the phone as quick as possible to get a feel for the software. It is running Android 14. Apparently there is an update to Android 15 And obviously I haven't gotten that just yet. I'm wondering if I go down to here, if there's any type of update or anything right now. Let's find out in real time. Probably a security or like security patch update before the Android 15, but we'll see. Nope, it says software is up to date. As of Android 14, One UI 6.1 as of April 1st, 2025. So we have not got Android 15 just yet. But I'm trying to change a couple of things on the phone, of course. So the first thing I want to do is do a 5x6. Same thing with the app drawer. 4x4. That's just how I like to rock things. I want to have as many apps as I possibly can on the home screen. And then under display, we're going to go into, yeah, we're already in the high. Vivid screen mode. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to turn that on. Well, have it on a schedule. Not always on. Sunset to sunrise. All right. Using the phone. It's like I'm already in that mode. And then navigation bar. This is what I was looking for too. Prefer to use that as opposed to having the buttons here on the bottom. It's a lot easier for me. I just prefer that increased touch sensitivity for screen protectors. Don't plan on rocking that on this phone here, but other than that, you guys, I am going to go ahead and get some information installed on it. So sorry for keeping you guys for so long, but we could take a look at the camera real quick. Let's take a picture of, I guess we can do a picture of the box here. So 50 megapixel primary camera. Boom, picture's been taken. And turn that this way. And it looks pretty decent. Not bad. So that's what the picture looked like there. Let's go to video, see what the full resolution is. If I'm not mistaken, it's full HD, 30 frames per second. So yeah, it is 30 frames per second. It's interesting how they have the option for FPS, but they can't change it to 60. But it shows you what the frame per second is. You know what? I'm not gonna nitpick there. Under $200 here. So yeah, let me go ahead and get my information installed, and I'll give you guys an updated video over the next couple of days or so. Hopefully I'll have my information as far as my phone number and all that good stuff installed, or not installed, but running on this phone here, and go from there. I'm excited about using it. Curious to see what it's like to use a phone that has what I'm led to believe 4 gigs of RAM in it. Haven't used a phone like that in a minute, especially coming from the Google Pixel 9 Pro here. So anywho, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to see anything in particular with the Galaxy A16 5G. Like the video, share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.